Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ayesha Abbas. I'm a doctor and a dietitian. There are certain vegetables which should be added in your diet, and they not only keep you fit but they also increase your immunity levels. They include carrots, they include tomatoes, they include spinach, they include broccoli, they include sweet potatoes, and they include cauliflower and bell peppers. You can have them at the time of having salads, and not only they increase your immune system, but for instance carrots, they have beta carotene, and they, because of being rich in beta carotene, they improve your eyesight. And likewise tomatoes, they are also packed with lycopene, and they are good for your heart and skin health. So if you have these salads once in a daytime at the time of lunch or dinner, they are not only low in calories but they improve your immune system.